formally introduced the Carnival to the US market in 2022, but decided it was already time for a styling enhancement. The 2025 model receives updates to its grille, headlamps, tail lamps, wheels, and lower body panels that look inspired by the company's new EV9 electric 3-row crossover. The Carnival is powered by a 3.5-liter V6, churning out a healthy 287 horsepower. An 8-speed automatic transmission is standard. All-wheel drive is not on the menu, as the Carnival is offered as a front-wheel drive model only. Kia also offers the Carnival Hybrid, which gets a 242 horsepower turbocharged hybrid powertrain, but we review that model separately. The Carnival is offered in 5 trim levels, ranging from the value-oriented LX to the deluxe SX Prestige. But the EX represents the sweet spot between features and price. The EX trim comes with several convenience features that help to justify the cost of upgrading, including a power-operated rear liftgate, an in-cabin intercom, and a voice control system that allows rear seat passengers to provide commands to the Carnival's infotainment system.